You are being distracted, and you don't even realize it. Every day we chase more and more. Money, success, attention. But what if all of it is leading us somewhere we don't want to go? This surah reveals a reality that will shock you. A moment is coming when everything you enjoyed will be questioned. This is Surah At-Takathur.
ألهاكم التكاثر حتى زرتم المقابر كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم